Ko ko Emily e. She is Emily.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, ko Molly e. She is Molly. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 3rd of April.
Okay, let's start the day with tidy class news. Can we have a big drum roll, please, for rooms 3 and 6. Great work, guys.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te rero for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Try use this week's word this week.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low to moderate from 11 until 2.
And now potae are still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Alrighty, birthday news. There is none today, but there were 2 in the weekend.
Happy birthday to Nazina and Jacob. We hope you had a great day.
A warm welcome to Hunter Wilson, who starts at WINTON School in Room 1 today. I hope your first day is awesome.
Today it is the year 5s and 6s turn for the inter-house challenge. All teams to be in the hall at 12:30 with your lunch.
House leaders, please help to make sure your teams are in the hall and ready to start soon after.
A reminder that school is finishing at 12:30 tomorrow for learner conferences. The buses are running as normal.
Can Miss Crode's Music Festival kids meet her in room 11 at the start of morning tea for a quick practice today?
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices and textbooks below. And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.